Random ba?
Yeah, random. Motherfucker. What's up, motherfucker? I'm from the Philippines, so can I see your face? I cannot see your...
Well, I'm young.
Nakakatakot naman dito tawag doon, may pag-chat, no? Kasi random people, so hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga maaaring bagsakan. What's up?
What are you f***ing gay?
You are a gay
What the What's that? Destiny! Hi, Destiny! Your name is Destiny. You are my destiny.
Ako'y kinikilig. Bakit kayo lumalapit ako'y nanginginig? Akala nyo pag nambababae kayo, nasasaktan nyo lang kami.
Alright guys, so ngayon ko lang ito susubukan pero mukhang masaya dito. So, tatry ko to. Ayan, yung nakikita ninyo yan. Omegle, ewan, Omegle, kung ano man yan, tatry natin to. So, let's go. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung ano tong Omegle na to, Omegle. So, try natin makakonect, no? Connect to completely. It may take a little while to find someone with common interest if you get tired of waiting. So, I'm just trying. What's that?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. What is this application? This is my first time
Oh,
doing this.
no. In this application, you can find friends. You can
Oh,
gossip with each other, and there are also some bad people who show their bad things.
I see.
Like, yeah.
I
So
see.
you have to find the good people if you are good.
Oh, thank you so much, Irfan. Yeah, nice meeting you, Irfan. My name is Rafi, and thank you so much for the information. So you're the first one I talked here in what's this? Omegle or Omegle? What's the right?
Omegle.
Omegle. All right. So that's it, guys. So meron tayo nakausap. I think Indiano yun, no? So hindi ko alam kung ano yung dapat mang ginagawa rito, but I'm just talking in different language, no? Different people. So I'll just try to look for another people to talk to. So let's go find another one. So let's try new chat. I'm not a robot. So nakapalaban tayo ng Inglesan dito. Mga foreigner pala to. Anyway, so let's try this one. Hindi natin kayang sabayan yan. Stand with Hong Kong against... Hey, what's up?
Random ba?
Yeah, random. Motherfucker. What's up, motherfucker? Ano ba yun? Anak ng teteng naman. Wala tayong makausap dito maayos, ah. Random people. Let's go! Hi, what's up? Hi, what are you doing?
Good.
Alright, so where are you from? You don't want to talk to me. I'm just tripping here.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Nothing.
What's your name? Are you female or
Elizabeth?
girl?
Yes.
Alright, hi. You're from what country?
United States.
United States, yeah. I'm from the Philippines. Can I... I'm from the Philippines, so can I see your face? I cannot see your...
Well, I'm young, so I don't really show my face. Sorry.
Oh, no problem. No problem. Thank you.
Bye, I guess.
Mga bata, I don't know what to do. Mapalaman tayong Englishan dito. So, it's a good way to practice English speaking, ha? So, it's a random people again. So, yan. Let's try to do this. One more time. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, bye. Have a good night.
Nakakatakot naman dito tawag doon, may pag-chat, no? Kasi random people, so hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga maaaring bagsakan. What's up?
What are you f***ing gay?
You are a game.
So I don't know what to do here, but I'm just trying and experimenting something, you know.
You actually people come for girls or something.
This is all
Type
for
of people. Yeah, like that. One type of people who actually come here for the girls, and they're all
I
over
see.
just random chatting and all.
Okay. Anyway, what's your name again?
I'm Ronak.
Ronick. My name is Rafi, and I would like to say thank you so much for the information about this application. Thank you so much, and enjoy drinking. Good night.
Bye.
So, ayun, may mga nakausap tayo mga mababait, no? At, mukhang nag-enjoy tayo rito, again, guys, I'm practicing my English language. I don't know if I can communicate to other people, no? But still, my accent still Filipino. So, let's go.
What are you f***ing gay?
Hi!
You are a game.
What kind of application is this? Unmoderate section. Let's go to I'm not a robot.
Do it! Just do it!
Uy. But why naman it's a puro it's puro guys? Why naman like that? Unmoderate section. So kinakabahan ako, guys. Kinakabahan talaga ako pag kung sino-sino yung nakakausap natin. Talk to strangers and meet them.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now. This is cancer. This is so much cancer that I can feel the tumors growing on my back. And it's way down heavy on me, and it's not okay.
Because this section is moderated, you are more likely to encounter sexual behavior. As with the rest of Omegle, users in the selection solely responsible for their own behavior. If you're under 18 or you would prefer not to use this section, please cancel, press OK, affirm that you are at least 18. Okay, so I'm more than 18, no? And I'm just trying to do some... What's this? What the What's that? Oh my god. This section is not for kids, guys. So you don't try to go in this section because it's too mature. So yeah, let's try not. What the? Oh my god. So this is not a good. What the fudge? What kind of? Yeah, I don't like that section because it's too, mature. Hi.
You look at that one on YouTuber called Juice something. I don't know if you say it.
Yeah, so I'm actually just so I'm from the Philippines. You're from?
Spanish? Do you speak Spanish?
Oh no, I don't speak Spanish. In the past, we Filipinos speak Spanish, but it doesn't. We are no longer speaking Spanish.
You probably have seen things uncomfortable on here.
Yeah, actually, I tried that. I tried the unmoderated section a while ago, and it was so gross. I can't stand it. Males are, what they're doing there is not it's not right.
Yeah.
So I started doing the first time I did just a few minutes ago, and I then bump into you. Your name is
Violet?
Violet. My name is Rafi. Thank you so much. Thanks. What?
Whoa, hold on.
What?
What's up?
What's up, man?
Wait, are you that famous guy?
No. No. I'm from the Philippines, and I'm just trying this application, and this is my first time doing this. So I don't know.
Cool.
Yeah, I don't know what to do here.
Have you met like really weird people?
Yeah, in the unmoderated section, I just tried that. It's so uncomfortable to watch people there.
What do they do?
Mas
Ah,
I don't,
delicious.
yeah, I don't like that, so that's why I went here again. Just the normal way. Yeah. Anyway,
Well, so you put your interest as food, so you don't get people mad.
yeah, I don't like that. Ew.
What if they're like the food? Then like what? Then what do you do?
The food? No.
Yeah, the food. Like they have like an apple in front of them, and they're just like beating their meat to an apple. Then what do you do?
Maybe I'll just turn it off because
Okay.
all I want to do is to talk to someone, practice my English language.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm just practicing my.
Okay. That's
Anyway,
interesting.
thank you so much for your time. I'm just exploring.
Nice to meet you, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
Good
too.
luck.
Thank you. So hard to speak in different people. So guys, again, this is a good way to practice your language, your confidence to other people, talking to other people. So last one, just try to go to, yeah. Sometimes there are, hi?
Hi.
Hi.
At tumigil mundo.
This is, yeah, no problem. This is my first time in Omegle. This is my first time, so I'm just exploring things. I really don't know what to do here. I'm from the Philippines, by the way. I'm from the Philippines, and you're from
Jersey.
US?
New Jersey. Yeah.
Okay, from the US. Just looking for someone to talk to in this application. Right? That's it.
That's actually cool.
Yeah, thanks so much. And
You're the first normal person we meet. It's really weird.
yeah, don't worry because this is my first time. That's why I don't know what to do, and I'm here just to meet some people and practice my language. I cannot speak in English fluently because I'm not a native English speaking people. So that's it.
Yeah.
So how was my? Can you still understand me?
Of course, yeah, you're really good.
Yeah, thank you so
Like,
much.
Super good. I'm not just lying. It's actually good.
Okay, thank you. So, and I would like to say thank you so much for accepting me to talk to you.
You're welcome.
At least I have people, nice people to talk to right now. So your name is
My name is Lee.
Lee?
My name is Lee, but people call me Lee.
Lee? Yeah, Lee. Nice to meet you, Lee. And she is
Yes.
Destiny. Hi, Destiny. Your name is Destiny. You are my destiny.
Ako'y kinilig. Bakit kayo lumalapit ako'y nanginginig? Akala nyo pag nambababae kayo, nasasaktan nyo lang kami.
Anyway, what are you doing right now aside from talking to random people? So,
No. Well, we were watching anime.
oh, anime. The singing anime.
Yeah, they sing it.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
can you hear this?
I can hear.
Okay. Oh, I guess you're good in singing. Destiny. You know how to sing? No?
I do.
So you do. So you sing. That's why you like this anime given. All right. I guess I'm so boring to talk to. No.
No. We don't know. We're like awkward. Yeah.
I'm still thinking what to say and what to talk to or what I will be going to topic because I'm a little bit shy.
I just subscribed.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so that's it guys, and I don't like to talk na because I'm too tired. Okay? So I'm too tired of Bakit ba ako Bakit ba ako nag-ano? Bakit na ba ako tawag doon? English, Tagalog naman talaga yung vlog ko. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked my video, please like and share. And sa mga bata po dyan, wag nyo pong gagamitin ang Omegle sa kapag hindi pa kayo marunong, no, kasi baka kung saan kayo mapunta na content, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe at Rafi Rodriguez YouTube channel, and Facebook page po natin is Rafi Rodriguez Collections. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Stay safe, everyone.